Hey there crypto enthusiasts, welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be in a Bybit quiz question and answer where we can have a chance to get 30 USDT, that is $30, and you 5 people will be able to get this. So 5 lucky people, you can be one of those people. All you need to do is to answer the questions with the right answers, and then once it is time you'll be able to get it. Watch the video to the end for the whole process on this. Let's begin. If you still haven't joined the DBOE airdrop, you still have a chance to participate in this airdrop. 15 DBOE tokens for each and every one. Watch this video for the guide to participate in this airdrop ending on the 31st of December, just before the new year. Participate in this and have a chance to have these tokens before it's probably lists. The link to the video is going to be in the description box along with the referral link for the project. This is the Bybit page and it's an announcement. To be able to read this page, you have to click on the link in the description box, or you check out the Telegram or WhatsApp channels, and then once you join them you'll be able to access the link. Then you click on it, then it will take you to whatever browser that you choose. You can also copy it and paste it in the browser. Once it loads, you see this interface before you. You can see backstage with Ben, take the quiz, tune into the live stream and win rewards. So what do? You have to challenge yourself with these crypto related questions. You can see the read more page, so click on the arrow pointing down. Once you click there, you have to continue reading in your browser, but if you want to read with your Bybit app, you're also free to. Now it ends on January 1, 2024, 9:30 a.m. UTC. So you only have from now to January 1st, 2024. So make sure to do this quickly. The questions are also going to be here. So the answers are also going to be in the Telegram and WhatsApp channel. So make sure to check them out and then you can answer. Now the maximum supply of Bitcoin is the first question. What is it? It is 21 million. Number 2, what consensus algorithm does Ethereum currently use? Proof of stake. B. 3, what does the term HODL mean in the crypto community? B. Also hold on for dear life. And then you have to provide your Bybit UID. But before that, you have to click on sign in. You must have a Bybit account, so if you haven't, then the link is going to be in the description box. If you signed up with an email and password, then make sure to use that. If you signed up with mobile, also use that. If you signed up with either your Google or Apple account, then you can also use whatever method that you made use of when creating your account. Then you log in. Open your Bybit app. On your screen, you can see this interface. Now click on where you can see your profile picture or your avatar. After clicking, you see this place and you can see the circled part is where you click on copy, and you copy your UID, your user ID, and then return back to the quiz page. Paste the UID here and then click on the submit button. You're greeted with thank you for participating, and that is all for the Bybit participation. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. The goal is 500 subscribers. Like the video and give us your question and feedback in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Till next time.